Hello and good afternoon. This is Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. And before we're starting here, please like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So today I thought we are talking about a different tea I have here, and it's called Body Detox Tea. I want to show you the package. As always, 50 grams. So the tea is made with four different herbs / roots. So we have here horsetail, oat straw, lavender, and calendula. These are the 4 ingredients for this body cleanse or body detox tea. So I made myself a cup so you see the color, and nice in the color. See? So the tea, as I said, is made out of 4 different herbs. I just showed you the herbs, and I just want to put out the spoon. Nice. Fresh. The sweetness from the lavender, perfect. Really good. Delicious, as I like to say. So the 4 different herbs, organic herbs I have in this tea blend is horsetail. It's not so well known here in America, but in Germany it's well known, horsetail. It's growing wild, and you can find it here as well. When you know how it looks like, you can find it in Germany on the ditches in the area from the river, or in the forest. So it's everywhere and it's wild. And horsetail, the healing power of horsetail was already known hundreds of years ago because of its diuretic effect. So that means it gets all the water out of you. Have to run to the bathroom. It's getting all the water out of your body and all the bad things you need to detox, or you want to detox. Mostly you want to detox your body before you are starting a good diet or fasting. This is the time mostly you want to detox your body. But you can detox whenever you want. So it's not just because you want to start with a diet afterwards. So you can just go ahead and use it whenever you want. I just lost one of my lights. Here we are. Sorry about this. So the horsetail, as I said, it brings you up to go more than normal to the toilet because it's activating the kidneys and the urinary tract. So it was also highly valued as a remedy, for example, to stop bleeding and drain tissue from edema. So this is just the horsetail. Horsetail is the master part of this tea blend. There are different ratios for the blends I'm making, but they are my ratios and my secret as a herbalist. So the important ingredients from horsetail, and I just want to show it to you again so you remember. It looks like pine, more or less, like a pine tree. This is the horsetail here. So let me put it in here so you can see that. All right. So the important ingredients from horsetail is salicylic acid, saponins, calcium, potassium, magnesium. So there are minerals in it, and they are important when you detox your body, so you're not losing all the good stuff in your body. So if you drink the tea, it will rebuild the good stuff. It's the effects just from horsetail, sorry, is on top. It's anti-inflammatory. It's, as I said already, diuretic, so that means you have to go, and the blood will be purified. So it's cleaning, it's detoxing the whole body, the circulation of your body. Let me see. It can help you with, as I said, we are talking about horsetail right now. Horsetail can also help you if you have a bladder weakness, if you have circulation disorder, if you have skin issues as well, even if you drink it like a tea. By the way, here, the tea. Delicious. So delicious. In comparing to the tea I had yesterday, it was too sweet for me, but this one is really delicious. So yeah, and it also can help with if you have rheuma, because this is everything is helping you with horsetail, with detoxing the body. So the next herb I use in this tea is this one. It's oat straw, but it's not like this in the tea. I put it in the grinder, so it's more effective when you put it in a tea blend. So oat straw contains many active ingredients, flavonoids, and Ken will blend it in, what exactly I'm talking about, which ward off free radicals, saponins, which have a diuretic, again a diuretic. This is the same effect as horsetail, which helps you to clean or detox your body, your system, your circulation. So, and has fiber in it and has this draining effect, promotes your metabolism, so the whole system will be promoted. It's together with horsetail and oat straw. This is a super good combination from the herbs, and then the other two are following. So it will definitely help you for the detox time for your body. And then we have lavender in it, this one here. And lavender is known, first of all, for its delicious taste, for the nice aroma, and it's also anti-inflammatory, and lavender is stimulating the blood circulation. So again, that is the third part of the tea, the third herb, which is really, really specializing in detoxing. So, and it's also relaxing and calming down. So you all know lavender, the benefits of lavender. So I will later tell you something you can do with lavender as well. I have it everywhere in my house, in my bedroom. So the last one we have in there is here the yellow flower, which is called marigold or calendula. It's the same. It's a pretty nice plant, and here I just use the flower, but you can use the whole plant. So, and the main important ingredients in marigold flowers is the flavonoids, and Ken will put it in there. And as I said, apologize for all the medical terms here I'm still learning. And trust me, there are tons of words I have to learn as a person who was born in Germany and not here. So, but I will do my best. And as I said, I'm apologizing. So, and again, calendula or marigold, however you want to call it, has anti-inflammatory properties. So these 4 herbs together are the best combination I found out for body detox. And as you can see again, a pretty nice color, goldish, yellowish, and perfect and delicious. I have to say I put a spoon of honey in it because I know it's not so sweet. So I put just 1 spoon of honey in it, and then it tastes delicious. One thing I want to show you what I'm doing with lavender is you can make a lavender sachet, and it sounds French. So it's nothing else than you have a little bag, linen or cotton, right? And then here's your lavender. You fill, now I have to fill it without without having it all over the place. So, 1 second. So, maybe I should take a spoon or something. So you fill the sachet with lavender, and then you close it, and then you can hang this sachet with lavender in your closet, so it's a nice smell, and no animals or flies or whatever is coming in. Or what I am doing, I have one on my bed frame, and it helps me to sleep easier and sleep relaxed because the smell is enormous. You should really, if you could smell it, it's enormous. So that's just an idea what you can do with lavender as well. And as I said, it's called a lavender sachet. All right. So this, I have to say, I have another tea blend for detox, but I will talk about the other tea blend tomorrow. There are different herbs in it, and as you know from any other medication, when you go over the counter or whatever, you have different names or brands of medication you can use for the same. For example, pain medication, it's aspirin, you have Tylenol and all the other ones. And it's the same here with herbs. You can have different herbs with the same benefits, but you put them in a different ratio together, so you have a different taste. But the effect, the benefit, will be the same. So, but this I will put together a video, education video for tomorrow for the second detox tea blend I have here in the store and online on our website, the website store. All right. So yes, of course. Dang dang. Toodaloo. I am not your doctor. I cannot and I will not give you any medical advice. I am your master herbalist, and I can help you in any question about herbs, but not medical. I can talk to you about the benefits from herbs, and you can make your own decision. But if you really have any question and you're not sure about it, please contact your doctor before you contact me. If you trust me as your master herbalist, you're more than welcome to talk with me. All right? So as always, you can give me a call. You can shoot me a message over YouTube, Facebook, wherever you see me. I'm all over the place, more or less. Just contact me if you have any question regarding any special herbs. All right. So tomorrow, or maybe tonight already, the big snowstorm is supposed to come, and it's around the corner. Okay, we will see when we get up tomorrow morning if it's really already down or not, or if Plattsmouth is not even getting this enormous snow, what they are talking about, but we will see. Be prepared if you have to drive and it's heavily snowing. If you don't really have to go, stay at home, stay safe. All right. As always, stay healthy, stay warm. And this was Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner, your master herbalist. Bye.